These little sewing kits are valuable, especially for the frequent traveler, the college student, single dad, or just anybody who needs a quick repair. So it has tweezers, scissors, threader, just like I showed you the other day, buttons, snaps, needles, a pin, thread, and push pins. I'm giving 10 of these away on my social media channel, completely free. They say nothing in life is totally free. Well, this is. I'm going to pay shipping and handling, and you will have your handy dandy sewing kit. So the first 5 people that gives me a message, it can be a private message, it can be on one of my latest videos, the video where I'm teaching you how to thread a needle, or the video where I'm showing you different kind of stitches. Just type in sewing kit. The first 5 people on my YouTube, my TikTok, Facebook, and I will mail you one of these completely free. Again, scissors, tweezers, push pins, threader, buttons, snaps, safety pin, extra needles, and thread. Till next time.